Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fajar Dewangga Alamsah, NPM 2441203 from Accounting Study Program. Here I will explain about short-term debt. Definisi: short-term debt is a company financial obligation that must be repaid within 1 year or within the normal operation cycle. Whichever is longer, this debt is recorded as a current liability on the statement of financial position or balance sheet. Nah, this type of debt is typical used to finance short-term operational needs such as purchasing inventory, paying bills, and paying employees' salaries. Proper management of short-term debt is crucial to prevent a company liquidity from being disrupted. Nah, next slide. Character of short-term debt. Nah, do number one, do in a short time. Number two, no collateral required. Number three, routine and repetitive. Nah, short-term debt is characterized by quick maturity and typical requires no collateral. This type of debt generally arises from daily operation and must be repaid within specific time frame as agreed. Due to its recurring nature, short-term debt must be managed close to avoid late payment. If not paid on time, it can damage the company reputation and impact relationship with creditor or supplier. Nah, next slide. Type short-term debt. In number one is account payable. Number two, short-term notes payable. Number three, accrued cost. Number four, prepaid income. Number five is tax debt. Nah, number one is account payable. Arise from purchasing good or service on credit. Number two, generally without interest. And number three, 13 in 19-day term. Trade payables are the most common type of short-term debt and arise from operational activities such as purchasing raw material or merchandise from supplier on credit. Next slide. Notes payable. Promissory notes in an obligation arising from the signing of a formal promissory note or debt instrument between a company and a lender. Unlike trade payable, promissory notes generally bear interest and have a clear maturity date. Next slide. Accrued expense. Accrued expense are liability for expense that have been incurred but have not yet been paid or billed by third party. For example, employed the salaries are the due but have not been paid by the end of accounting period. In accounting, these payments are considered payable because the company still has an obligation to provide service or goods in the futures. Revenue is only recognized when the obligation has been full according to the contract. Next slide. Okay, next slide is prepaid income. Revenue occurs when a company receives before delivering goods or rendering service to a customer. Example include magazine subscription, down payment on contract, or prepaid rent. Next go. Okay, next impact of short-term debt on financial statement is number one, increase the amount of current liability. Number two, affect the liquidity ratio. In number three, must be reported in detail. Nah, short-term debt is recorded as a part of current liability on the balance sheet. The larger the current amount, the greater of the company short-term obligation in the near future. This will impact its capital structure and financial stability. In conclusion, short-term debt is a crucial component of a company financial structure. While it can be kept short of financing, it requires discipline management because it direct impact company ability to maintain operational viability. Thank you.